Rule number 3, use plays. Pros don't wing it. Amateurs do. Professional chefs use recipes. They know exactly how much of each ingredient to put and at what temperature each stove and oven should be at. Amateurs don't. NBA players run plays, both on offense and defense, and they're fundamentally sound in shooting, passing, dribbling, and all things basketball. Amateur players don't. Professional singers know which octaves and which chords they're singing in when they're singing. Amateurs don't. Actors use scripts, contractors use blueprints, musicians use music sheets, and the list goes on and on when it comes to professionals that use real plays and systems to achieve maximum potential. Amateurs are lazy, but cleverly, they disguise their laziness as, I don't need plays. I've been doing this for a while. I know what I'm doing. I got my own system. Don't be this person. Amateurs may be impressed, but the pros, no, you're just being lazy. Rule number 4, practice in practice, not in the game. Imagine if you heard Jerry Seinfeld tell a joke one time and go, oh, that was a good one. And then you go on stage at a comedy show and do your best to deliver that same joke. How many of you guys feel like you bombed that joke? That's because Jerry Seinfeld has mastered that before he went on the stage. He told that joke 1,000 times in different ways before he went up on that stage. It's also the same thing as if you watched a UFC fighter do a killer move and you go, oh, I can do that. And then you get into a cage and you go, you know what, I can take this guy. I just saw that guy do a move, and you go, and how many of you guys feel like you're just about to get your ass kicked? Yeah, because that wasn't the first time Conor McGregor did that move because he saw someone else do it in a fight. Raise your hands if you believe he practiced that move and variations of that move hundreds of times before he did it. Well, the same thing goes for when you hear a new way to overcome an objection, use sales anchors, plant seeds in the sales process, whatever. Whether it's the many that you're going to hear this weekend at this conference or, even outside of this conference, no matter what, don't do it for the first time in a real sale. Run it in practice over and over and a few times until it's smooth. And then, once you got it and you know you got it, then you can go ahead and run it in the game.